Welcome back friends in our channel Art Life with Mohammed Shehzad. Today we are going to make a multicolor cooling flower greeting card cover. For that we need cooling tool and one cooling tool with the big round dias, multicolor strips. So first of all we will start from the part of flower. For that we need 150 mm purple strip and the thick one, the round I made by myself for the flower petal. So friends, we have to start from here. We have to make the tight roll. Actually this petal makes a hole. We need the whole petal of the flower in tight roll. So that's why I make by myself the round stick. And for the flower inner, the yellow, we need around 297 mm strip and plus 75 mm strip of yellow to make the tight roll with the normal cooling tool. Next one we have to make the petal. For that we need green strip, 150 mm strip, put in the 12 mm round dia, press from the one side and make the shape of petal. Now we have to make the part of the flower. For that here we need we use the yellow, but now we are changing in our greeting card cover, we are using red strip. For that we need the main part of that, we need two red strips of 297 mm. Put the 30 mm round dia. The glue. For the lower part of that we need one strip of 297 mm, same red one. Just allow it until he got his position, then put. So we done also the stand of that one. This one we just 150 mm green strip to make the branch of the flower plant. I will make a one sample, the rest of you can make it by yourself. You have to turn around from one side and leave it same like this one, same like this one. So friends, we show you how to make each part of the flower and plant. So let's get started friends to put the stuff on the paper. So friends, we got our stuff, 4 flowers, 5 leaves and the branches. So let's get started friends to put the stuff on the cover, greeting card cover. First we have to make the bird. This one. The other one we have to put the opposite side. And this one the last branch here. So we will start putting the flowers. Petal here and one petal to put there, flower, petal on the top, one flower here and one petal here. So friends, finally we complete our multicolor cooling flower greeting card cover. I hope you like our video. If you like our video, please comment below the video, share the video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon that can give it to you the notification whenever we upload a new video. So until next video friends, stay blessed, Allah Hafiz, and keep supporting our channel.